Today I'm going to give you an inside tour of this beautiful home here in the Golden Gate Estates. This channel focuses on everything to do with living in Southwest Florida. If you're thinking about buying or selling or just have real estate questions, call or text me at 239-450-5786. If you want to click the link below to schedule a private informational Zoom, I'd love to have a conversation. This beautiful home here that is listed by my brokerage in the Golden Gate Estates features just under 2,600 total square feet of living space. That's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in the main house, and a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, fully equipped kitchen, mother-in-law or ADU. Sitting on 2.27 acres, this home features 2 air conditioning systems, a reverse osmosis system, impact glass throughout the home, and a very uniquely done, but very nicely done, outdoor kitchen that you will want to cook outdoors year-round. Let's talk about the land here at this home. It features 2.27 acres, which means it has 150 feet across by 660 feet deep. Now, the front, about third of the property is wetlands, but the back of the property is completely uplands. So you can build a pool, additional buildings, even an additional dwelling in the back of this property without extra permitting from the state and county. Now, this 1/3 of the property does need to be left in a more wild status, but that doesn't mean that there aren't some things that you can do within inside the wetlands. But keep in mind, most times in the summer, it's full of sitting water. One of the high points of this property literally is the high points. 12-foot ceilings with almost every room in the main part of the house having tray ceilings that are beautifully lit with LED lights. One of the unique features of this home, as I mentioned earlier, is this outdoor kitchen featuring a flat top induction cooking area. You don't see that here in the Estates. Usually it's a grill which tends to rust, but this is a fabulous use of space. You still have plenty of room in the covered area for your grill or smoker, but the home features this amazing outdoor kitchen. If you want to eat outside, this covered area with dual fans is fabulous, and this property still gives you plenty of room for anything you want to do, from a pool to tropical fruits, chickens, goats. You have plenty of room. Even with the wetlands in the front, you have plenty of room in this property for whatever you want to do here in the Golden Gate Estates. Well, I hope you enjoyed your private look at this beautiful new construction home here in the Golden Gate Estates. If you'd like more information about this property, click the link below, call or text me at 239-450-5786, or of course, always you can schedule a private Zoom to discuss your specific needs in your property search here in Southwest Florida. There are lots of options here in Golden Gate Estates and throughout Southwest Florida for new construction homes and resales. My passion is helping you figure out which is the best route for you and your family to achieve your goals in the rest of 2025 and 2026 to come. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Don't forget to reach out to me to ask any questions you have. There's no question that I can't answer. Thank you for watching this home tour, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to be notified about my future videos. And don't forget, I love interacting with your comments, so leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.